Rainy day picture. It's raining today. It's raining today. I cannot go out in the garden to play. Here is some paper. Here is some crayons. A big box of books and a pillow to lay on. My favorite blue blanket, my green house pants, in case I want to get up and dance. To music I'll play soft and low. Trinkets and treasures to gently hold that Grandma and Grandpa sent to us from places around the world that they went. A red lion, a green lion, a porcelain rose, looking up at me from between my toes.